much more too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.
Ebusia me mama kwaba ene ediba too much GH so ene day ya etu anamo abaye papa eye the first prophetic archbishop Dr. Elisha Salifu Amoako aso eye se ye ba beji ono nso na dwenkyere e wo man mpuntuo ho e na afa nso the message owo e de maga na man ana e Christopher e wo Easter yimu enu ti na ne yetu ya namo pa aba na nim se Nenkasa ene na dwenkyere ehu hia ga na man ne ye nyina enu nti ene mesre se obeka ye ho na yaje na dwenkyere ene ne message o mayen Papa
Oyema
yo ene die yetu ye nan a tutu ye nan abomodin abawaso eye na ohu hia ye ma ga na man na ye nso ye hu hia wonti enu nti na na ye tutu ye nan se ye ba beje wonhira our my Easter imu Yesu awu sorry.
That's right.
And into wo message at the ma a Christopher me gidi say nye Christopher nyina san say ofi the Muslim side now the back Christo mo into wo message for all Ghanaians. And until na ne ya to ye na ya ba won waso ye ne.
That's it. Oya ma me chiao echia onu nuanu nyina maba efikase mu ha. Ya beda onyankopon ase. Edo onyame ase ema oman no ede nyame ase ma yankasa ye president President Kufuado da bedi echire ne yire ene na busua ene ministers asofo ene omamutifo nyina the citizens of Ghana we be first season yimu Easter is a special season for Christians. It's a religious season. A year very, very important in the religious calendar. Easter is very important. Today I was preaching about 4 or 5 things. Christianity is very powerful. Christianity is so powerful because of these 5 things. Christianity is the most powerful religion on the face of the earth.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Christianity is the most powerful religion on the face of the earth. And also the largest followers. Christianity is a large. As so saying any religion. Catholic in Kwan over 1.4 billion people followers. Only Catholic.
Wow.
Yes. And a Christosomono eson. And it's well celebrated all over the world. Even Easter is well celebrated even in the Muslim world.
Wow.
A well celebrated thing and a religious season. Without this Nyama 4 and 5 no Christosum any fapim dia. One the birth of Christ. Christo now war. God borrowed the womb of Virgin Mary. Emma onam Virgin Mary so ena ma ye wu Yesu. Enti Yesu onyame a oba honam ema ye wu no you have to go through the process. Say the nyina no oba na nyinsa ye ewu ye no sa pepepe. Ena number 2 the crucifixion. Wow. Easter you cannot talk about Easter without the crucifixion. Na it just say Yesu Kristo ba asase so na obebe wu ewo memudua no so e de fire burning because asemia no a Yesu ye de to ne kon no ejina ho ma wiase nyina burning ana wiase nyina burning ni kukuru e de so nipa baako enti ye burning nti Yesu Kristo no nim burning wanya burning da but ye burning no be fato ne ho so ene na ma Easter ehu hia no ehu hia ma Kristo ni bia Yesu na wo eno na ye dey celebrating no Christmas the birth of Christ no and na ye the crucifixion a bra soldier for Roman soldier for che no e born asemi mu ya ama wu atofu ya sa wo ni nyina no prophetically no na e wo ni meaning obewu ma ye born ana ne toso ehia pa ema Christo ni bia the resurrection power of God because Nyankopon ka say yesu ne nansa so wu a obesa nyane no efri owum. So the whole world leaders omba wiase nyina no, they still remain no is still in their tomb. Ewu ye no da so hye asase ase. But Christo uko Jerusalem, his tomb is empty. Because Christo nyame eyini free owum. And nema Christo so very very powerful. All the world religious leaders they are still in their grave. But when it comes to Christ, Jesus, the anointed one, God raised him from the dead. Wow. And only a Christo for your hope. Nia etoso na na ascension. Ebra unyane ye neso de ne ho kire ne ja wosoro. Enti ascension no, sa wuti ade e friend Pentecost. Enti bra Yesu kosoro no, ni 50 days e na ma won konkron so e baaye. They say Yesu will near physically. What ye Nyankopon sanifa so e na hinima odi ma yen. But the only e wo ha e ne ho konkron on a boy on a triumphal on a authority preachers prophets what to say on a my message. Wow. So inti Easter no a bibia a season of every religious Christian or Jesus say Yesu Christo eba asase so every religious person be or Christo ni bia no sa season we friend no Easter season no a very 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 important to every believer, also for the nation. Wow. And not only for the believers, for the nation. Who are Jesus Christo ebe wuma yen. Ani asumdua or the bread was as so. Jesus say masumdua na mede mamu. Enye wiase de ne mum de freja ne nchen. The peace of God. Enti Yesu wo no and also translate into the peace of God in our life as a people, as a nation. As a nation, the peace na Nyankopon de basum asase we so the brain nipa no very 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 important. Enti mefa season so e nche mu odin ama ye mampanyi na be de akire ene timamufo ye leaders eni wiase nyina ye mo happy Easter ene happy resurrection Sunday. A season of love, season of peace, a season of togetherness, a season Yesu asori efre wufuo mu enti nneoma ensem fata ewu o ya brabom nyina no nneoma nkrofo destiny a obonsam awia na omotutu from their show nyina no. This is the season we need to experience recovery. Yesu be we say be ya be recover all the things Satan has taken from humanity. Ni obonsam agye free nipa nyina no. The resurrection no am I a hope. Am I a dache? Say we watch you cry no. There's life. Ko Yesu wo ye no wanka menemu oh sorry enti am I a hope. Say a Christopher no yenkoso nsum nyame yi yenya oman a ye nyame somfo me yenkeka yanim enche nyame sompa na yempa emu nipa no. Okay, enti mespa season yi so na media chia Ghana for empenyimfo nyina mama obia happy good Easter. Wow. Minjiri say asomdwe aye nya no mai mo no nyame na dia mayen. Ofa bia peace. Uko other places we are enjoying the peace of God because God gave his son to the world. And we need to celebrate the season very well. Enti no yebechia Ghana for na ya mo happy Easter. Amen.
Yeah, that sense. Yes. Amen. Me o shasie no unchia edi kan koma omampani mfimfim ho nso unchia san ba ma omampani wo be wie nso so ochia esan koma omampani na chese politically no hono mo nso ehia opa na uka about peace any odo and a wuhia e de magana man enso a na ohwemu nso outside can be science so say there are other countries and tokwa ewo hono but Ghana there we always experience the peace in this country but upon all this peace na ye experience there are a lot of things and so I ye come Ghana Osha Street, there are lots of street children that go through a lot.
Yes.
Ebi will be raped to give birth. Osha Bonting, there are in Kolaya, do Amoako to Bola. So, Bebrena enye well-stayed personnel and on penny send no koto akola. Name with all this suffering, any rape cases koso, was street children be, and into a wa onim send your besha akola and net so then ko two baby akeke. These are all the things that koso Ghana memo and draw 14 years, 13 years, or then you and it's all about what shredding here come and into almost shiny mamma and papa and your brenna. No, also feel say, mammy be na men so mentima for breast.
That's right.
What did you say? I'm your mind penny and I say your leaders or my juma no moon ye. Yes. I won't mind you and until I hear fast and your main in a mana.
Yes. But I was a pass with Mamma Akwanyi Samin Kasa. I'm so grateful. Now, the entire Mamma Chia or Mampenino, everything rises and falls on leadership. Bibiano rising and fall on leadership.
Okay.
The entire Medin Chia or Mampenino, or no, Ghana, 30 million people, citizens. Yakoto Abamano say, Uncle. Abankesim na onko di enim na onka yensem emfa maye na omwaye enti untumi sign omampanyi ho enko cheni powerful is the first gentleman of the land.
Okay.
So when it comes to respect and honor, you must also acknowledge him as such. And enti na mede nchia emano na che eni yempanyi fo mudi enim e wo say achia wo mo de na emom no say the medical camp bibia a leadership. The problem of Africa is a problem of leadership. The problem of the continent of Africa is the problem of leadership. Ghana just need visionary leaders.
Okay.
What is happening to Ghana is that we have good leaders, but we don't have great leaders.
Wow.
But they are not great. God doesn't make people good, He makes them great. And what Ghana and Africa need is great leaders.
Wow.
The reason why Africa has all the natural resources and we are still the poorest among the poor. Oko baby to say Great Britain. Great Britain. And their friend United Kingdom. United Kingdom is a small island. The size of London, no, United Kingdom, no, yeah. America, California, one state.
Wow.
That's the size of London. Ice the content of our mind, the whole world.